This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Guys, November 13th, 2018, a little rainy here today. Day after Veterans Day. I got a call from a guy. I got a call from a customer. He tried to change his shutoff under his toilet that was leaking, and he had to shut his water off. He said that I guess it needs to be soldered on there, so I don't know what he did, but he's got his water off to his house. That was yesterday. He's calling me a bunch of times. It's like, guy, I'm not working. Today's Veterans Day. I'll call you. You know, I didn't call him yesterday because I wasn't working. Support the troops. But anyway, I'm going there now, and I guess he didn't find anybody to do it yesterday, so I'm on my way there now and see what's going on with it. So I said to him, "You're trying to be super plumber?" He said, "Yeah." I started laughing. Trying to be a super plumber? Oh yeah, I know it. Yeah, I thought he was a super plumber. Huh? Miss Molly? My golly, it's Miss Molly. My golly, it's Miss Molly. Looks like he burnt the wood already there. It's not my doing.
Yeah, it would be burned.
You tried to heat it up with a torch, it wouldn't come off?
Yeah, I could get it. I don't know.
You couldn't get it off?
Nah, I don't want to touch it. You know, the pipes nowadays.
Not easy doing plumbing work, huh? Well, it can be tough.
It can be, yeah. I don't know how to root, you know. It's like,
How long did you play around with that thing? Looks like you really struggled with it.
not that long, actually.
No?
No.
You took all the chrome off it.
Yeah. Did that part.
Were you swearing?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely?
Yeah, I tried to sand it down a little bit with the sander. That's why it's a little thing.
You're gonna sand it off?
Hoping.
Oh, that's funny. Was your wife pissed at you? Was she? No? She wasn't too happy.
Nah. She was just like, I can't believe that, like, welded on like that. Like, I don't know.
Well, it's off, so I'll put the new one on.
No, you got it out. Yeah, good. Is it a pain in the ass?
Not really.
No? Gotta know what you're doing.
It's like me trying to do your job.
You're just used to it, right?
Probably ain't gonna do so well.
Yep. Yeah, that's what it was, that one, right? That's the... Oh yeah, it's gonna be an easy job. No problem. I didn't know they had them like that, where you can just, you solder them on. I thought it was just like that style, like the other one, you know? With the coupling bullshit.
No.
That's better, huh?
Well, I don't know about better, but...
Well, soldering on. But until you need to fix it.
Cut a little bit off it, I guess. Hey, you must have figured it was a holiday yesterday, right?
Yeah, we didn't work last night.
You didn't work, but you expected me to work?
No, we did work.
Oh, you did work?
Yeah, we had work yesterday. That's why I forgot it was a holiday. Yeah, we had work. It
I'm
was
surprised.
Veterans Day.
I'm surprised.
I know. You can. I think we can take it, but you won't get paid. So no one takes it really. I think because they give us Good Friday. We do that. I don't know.
Boy, if this was colder, it'd be all snow, huh?
Yeah, big time. A lot of rain.
Are you ready for the snow?
Yeah, I guess.
You all ready, yeah? You got your snow blower all going?
Yeah. More or less. Hopefully it's all that. That's up, right? We're gonna get a plow for my Jeep up there.
Yeah, you should get one.
Yeah.
They make them for Jeeps, you know.
Oh yeah, I know. I was looking at one.
They're like 6 foot. I just got one for my trackless.
Yeah.
A plow to have.
Yeah.
They make them just for Jeeps.
Yep.
They're like 6 foot wide.
Yeah, my neighbor's going in the back. Cause you got a long driveway back there. And yeah, he likes it. Yeah.
You can find them. You can find them like on Craigslist and
Yeah, I was
stuff.
looking around.
Have you been? Yeah.
A little bit.
I just picked one up yesterday, actually.
Oh, did you? On Craigslist?
Yeah, just the bottom part, because I don't need the lift part, because my trackless has got all that.
Yeah, that's cool.
So that's open. We'll see if we can solder it for you. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Now shut off the kitchen sink because I open that. When you turn it on slow. Just crack it.
Okay.
And then once I, make sure it doesn't leak.
All right. That's good.
You can be tricky to solder sometimes. Not the greatest thing to solder. Yeah, go ahead. See no leaks, so it'll be good there.
How's it looking?
Good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's not the easiest joint to solder because you really
Yeah.
got to be careful because you don't want to cook the wall and.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass getting there. Not a lot of them.
It's all right. We got it. We got it. That don't look bad there. Good enough.